In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up subtask automations in Clickup. By the end, you'll have a rule that automatically creates a subtask whenever a task's status changes, complete with the details, assignees, and fields you care about. Start by opening Clickup and heading to your inbox or workspace view. From the left sidebar, open the space where you want this automation to live, then dive into the specific project where your tasks are managed. At the top, open the Automations menu, choose Manage Automations, and select Add Automation to create a new rule. At the top of the builder, make sure the scope is set to tasks or subtasks so the rule applies to the kind of work you're managing. For the trigger, choose Status Changes. This tells ClickUp to watch for a task moving from one status to another. Pick the status change that aligns with your workflow so the rule fires at the right moment. Next, move to the Action area. Open the action picker, then look under the Change Status category to locate and choose Create a Subtask. This sets the rule to generate a new subtask when the trigger condition is met. Confirm the target is task that triggered this action so the subtask is created under the same parent task that changed status. Now, configure the subtask details. Click Subtask Name and type a clear, consistent title your team will recognize. If you use a predefined template, click Template and select it to prefill structure and fields. Set the initial status so the subtask enters your workflow at the right stage. Add a concise description to provide context and instructions. Choose a priority to flag urgency. Set a due date and, if needed, a start date to control scheduling. Relative dates work well to keep things flexible as tasks shift. Add tags for easy filtering and reporting. Assign the right people under assignees so ownership is clear from the start. If you rely on dependencies or relationships, open relationship type to define how this subtask connects to other work. Choose a task type to categorize it appropriately and map any custom fields required to capture extra data your team tracks. Give everything a quick review, then click Create to save the automation. From now on, when a task in that project hits your chosen status change, ClickUp will automatically create the subtask with all the details you set. If you need to adjust, return to Manage Automations to edit this rule. Keep subtask name specific, avoid loops by ensuring the subtask status won't re-trigger the same rule, and confirm teammates have access to the space. That's it, your subtask automation is ready to work for you.